Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to accelerate your downloads in Opera GX browser. For this, you need to enable a hidden flag that is known as parallel downloading. For that, first open Opera GX browser on your PC and then in the address bar type opera colon slash and then flags and then press enter on the keyboard. In the search flags box type parallel downloading, and once parallel downloading appears in the search results, click on this one drop down menu and here select enabled option, then click on this one restart button at the bottom. Opera browser will restart and parallel downloading will be enabled. That will accelerate your download speed on your PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.